Running for political office was the last thing I was thinking about. A group of elders came to the community, from the community, asked me to run. And so I thought about it and thought about it for weeks and then finally decided to do it and have been in office since 1989. Well, I represent the 18th Ward, which is roughly in the center of the city. It is a diverse community with several neighborhoods in it. Problems. I had seen this with some constituents and actually had it with some family members where they were illegally locked out. In many instances, poor people and indigent people do not have the money necessary sometimes to get an attorney when it comes to civil issues. So what they were really doing was being just left out in the cold. We talked about what we both had seen and the need for change, a need for an improvement in the laws to protect tenant rights, and not realize that it takes a great partnership. So in this instance, we had a number of organizations, including the Legal Services of Eastern Missouri. Empowering Missouri, we had Kalila Jackson with the Equal Housing Opportunity Council. We met with all of them and they provided their expertise and their impetus and their energy towards getting this done. What that ordinance does is it changes the landscape. As I said earlier, illegal lockouts or the process for evictions was a civil matter, meaning that if someone did it illegally, you had to take them to court. You could not get the intervention of the police force or other law officials in that regard. So what the ordinance now does is to also make this issue a criminal offense. That means then that the person who is being affected by, particularly poor people, have another remedy, and that is to call law enforcement officials who can intervene on their behalf and ensure that the process is followed properly. It protects our citizenry because now they can get, as we said, law officials involved on the spot and have a remedy that they did not have before. That is the significance of this legislation.